Hi friends, let us do one more problem on bank reconciliation statement. But in this problem we'll start with overdraft bank balance as per passbook and try to arrive at the overdraft bank balance as per the cash book. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Messrs. Shanti and Company as on 31st March 21. The payment of a check for Rs 12,000 was recorded twice in the passbook. Withdrawal column of the passbook is undercast by Rs 300. A check of Rs 2000 has been recorded in the cash book as deposited, but it was not sent to bank at all. Rs 1500 in respect of dishonored check were entered in the passbook but not in the cash book. Overdraft bank balance as per passbook is 50,000. So let us prepare our working notes. This is my cash book and this is my passbook. I'm starting with an overdraft balance of 50,000 in the passbook. I'm starting with passbook. Now I have to arrive at the cash book, so I put a star mark to the cash book. The payment of check of Rs 12,000 was recorded twice in the passbook. A check was issued, recorded in the withdrawal side of the cash book. It was presented for payment and the banker has recorded it twice in the passbook. Now, what will happen because of this? For one check, the business will record entry only once, whereas the passbook also has recorded once, but this extra entry has created a problem. Because of this, the passbook balance will be more, cash book balance will be less. Why it is more? Debit, another debit, the balance will increase, whereas the balance is relatively less here. So what should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to reduce the passbook balance by 12,000 rupees. I am not talking about the balance, I am talking about the overdraft balance. Overdraft balance has to be reduced by 12,000. So this would be minus. Withdrawal side of the withdrawal column of the passbook has been undercast by Rs 300. So this banker is making lots of mistakes. He has done one more mistake. What he has done is he has undercast by Rs 300 the withdrawal column. That means the payment side of the passbook, that is the withdrawal side of the passbook. Let us suppose the total was 1300. He has totaled it as 1000 only. So the real withdrawal is 1300, but this 1300 was totaled as 1000. That is the problem. Withdrawals of 1300 record in the cash book, properly totaled, but in the passbook those withdrawals have been recorded as only 1000. So we can write this 1300 in two parts, 1000 and 300. This 1000 and this 1000 has no problem at all, but this 300 rupees withdrawal record in the cash book has not been recorded in the passbook. Okay, so now what will happen? Cash book started with a credit balance, another credit balance will increase, whereas the passbook balance will be lower. What should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to increase the overdraft balance by 300. A check of Rs 2000 has been recorded in the cash book as deposited, but it was not sent to bank at all. So we have recorded a check as if it has been deposited. Overdraft balance in cash book, overdraft balance in passbook. A check has been deposited, has been recorded in the cash book as deposited. That means we have recorded a deposit for a check in our cash book, but the check has physically not been sent to the bank. So there is no question of the banker sending this check for collection and collecting money on this check. So there is no credit in the passbook for this amount. So what will happen? We start with the credit. There is a debit here. The balance has reduced. The balance is here is higher. So what should I do to the cash book to make it equal to what should I do to the passbook to make it equal to the cash book? I have to reduce the passbook balance by 2000 rupees. So this item should be less. Rupees 1500 in respect of dishonored check were entered in the passbook but not in the cash book. Cash book, passbook. Now there is a withdrawal overdraft balance of 50,000. A check was deposited in the bank, 1500, and the check finally got dishonored. So there is no entry in the passbook for dishonor. If the dishonor was informed to us before 31st March 2021, we would have credited cash book and cancelled this entry in our books. But this did not happen. Okay. So now what will happen because of this? Because of this, the cash book balance has reduced. Because we started with a credit, there is a debit, so balance will reduce. Passbook balance is relatively higher. So what should I do to the passbook to make it equal to cash book? I have to reduce it by 1500 rupees. So this 1500 would be minus. Let us prepare the BRS. BRS of Messrs. Shanti and Company as on 31st March 21. Particulars rupees. Overdraft as per passbook rupees 50,000. Add. There are one item of add. Undercasting of passbook rupees 300. There are 3 less items. Less. Error in passbook regarding check issued 12,000. Then check not sent to bank. A check was deposited but was not sent to the bank. How much was it? 2,000 rupees. There's one more item. Check deposited but dishonored 1,500. This is plus 300, 50,300. Less items total will be 12,000, 2,000, 14,000, 15,500. So balance will be 800. 49 minus 15 is 34,800. So this is the overdraft bank balance as per cash book. Suppose this answer was minus, then in such case it will become favorable balance as per cash book. We have started with OD balance as plus. If the answer is in plus, that means this is also overdraft balance but as per the other book. If this becomes minus, then that means it is opposite balance, then it will become favorable balance. That is how we have to solve the problems. Thank you.